In this video, I will show with you step by step how to log in ANZ Bank. So friends, all you have to do, go to Google, search for this ANZ Bank, this term keyword, as you can see here. Click the first website here. You will see this page. From here, all you have to do, click on the login. When you click on the login, you will redirect it to page login. You have two options here, customer number and you have password. All you have to do, write your customer number, as you can see here, and then write your password. After writing your password, click on login option, as you can see here. This is how you can do. You have two options here, customer number and password. After that, click login. You can also log in with your app. Download this app on Google Play or App Store if you have Apple or Store. When you download your app, for example, this is for App Store, just click this one to download, and then you will log in with the same thing here. So this is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this